In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to recover deleted files from Google Drive. Whether you've accidentally deleted something important or just want to revisit a file you thought you'd put in the trash, there are simple steps you can follow to get those files back. First, let's start by opening your web browser and navigating to Google Drive. Once you're logged in with your Google account, you'll be on the Drive homepage where you can see all your recent files and folders. If you can't find the file that was deleted, don't worry just yet. Google Drive has a special section called Trash, where deleted files are stored temporarily before they're removed permanently. Next, look at the left-hand side of your screen. You'll see several options like My Drive, Shared with Me, and Recent. Among these, you'll also find an option labeled Trash. Go ahead and click on Trash. This is where Google Drive keeps your deleted files for a period of time, giving you a chance to recover any mistakenly trashed items. Once you're in the trash section, you'll see a list of files and folders you've deleted. Browse through this list to find the file or files you wish to recover. Remember, files remain in the trash for 30 days. After this period, they are permanently deleted and cannot be restored. So, if you're looking for something deleted a while ago, be sure to act before the end of that 30-day window. When you locate the file you're looking for, click on it to highlight it. This will bring up a few options, typically towards the top right of your screen. You'll see a small icon that looks like a clock or an arrow pointing counterclockwise, which is for restoration. Click this icon, and your selected file will be restored to its original location in your Google Drive. If you have more than one file to recover, you can hold the Ctrl key on your keyboard and click on multiple files to select them all. Once selected, click the Restore option, and those files will make their way back to your main Drive storage. One additional tip is to utilize the search bar at the top of your Drive screen if you remember part of the file name. It can help to quickly locate the file among potentially many others, especially if your trash folder is full. Hopefully, these steps have guided you through the process and you've successfully recovered your lost files. It's always a wise idea to double-check still needed documents or items before deleting them and use Drive's backup options regularly for essential data. Thanks for watching, and make sure to subscribe for more helpful tutorials, just like this one.